How to top up Miele appWash account with money. So first of all, on the home page here, the washing/drying part, you want to click on the bottom toolbar where it says prepaid. Once you've clicked that prepaid icon, then it should bring up a page that looks like this, where you can see the top up button. Click that top up button once you've put in the amount of money you want to top up for your account. Then it should bring up this web page looking thing right here, where you can go ahead and click on the payment method you want. I'm going to do Apple Pay because I think it's the easiest way of doing it. It's a lot quicker, but you can do any of those other options, Visa, MasterCard, etc. But I'm going to go through and do Apple Pay. For you, it might be a bit different, but in this section here, you need to put in your payment details. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click done, and then it should, after a few seconds, potentially a minute or so, depending on how long it takes on your device, it will actually top up with that money. So it usually takes me about 10 seconds, but you should be able to instantly use the washer or dryer. And as you can see, eventually it does top up with the account. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.